We wanted a dream house. We talked about renovations.
Sometimes you're better off starting over.
We always talked about when he retired that we would build a dream home.
So that's what we did. We made that decision.
Randy and Marianne are friends of ours. We all live on the same little river, and they approached me. They said, hey, we're thinking about building, and what do you think?
Charles had done a couple of builds with the Beaver program. He was impressed with the way that operates. He said, you might want to try that out.
Home Building Center, like a one-stop shop where you can get drawings done, they look after the engineering, and then supply the product as well.
When Charles made the recommendation that they should consider the Beaver Homes and Cottage package, they came in and met with Jim McMillan, our Beaver Homes and Cottages design consultant.
Randy and Marianne called because of Charles, the builder. He was familiar with us and he knew what we did and he knew the Beaver program.
We've been working with Home Building Center for many years. Their quality of material is outstanding.
I think there's a lot of reasons why the Beaver Homes package works as well as it does. We deliver when the builder says, I'm ready for the first floor, I'm ready for the second floor, I'm ready for the windows, and that makes a difference.
Originally, we were going to have an architect do the design, starting off with some of these drawings that we had. When we got involved in the next stage with the Beaver process, where we actually got the cottage and home design book, coincidentally, there's a couple of designs there that one of them was fairly similar to what we had drawn on paper.
Well, we saw a couple we liked, and we just kind of wanted to tweak it.
We kind of took the basic concept of two different designs. So there was a lot of customization, I guess, that Marianne and I had in mind. And with Jim, he was always very positive about that.
A project like building a new home, some people may build one in their lifetime. Most of them usually are inexperienced with the process. The Beaver Home and Design consultant will mentor them through that process.
If you need help with a contractor, if you need help with dealing with the town, if you need help with anything, the Beaver consultant will help you with that.
One of the big pieces of mind of buying a Beaver package is that it is a guaranteed price. It's not going to cost you a nickel more than that. Each customer that comes to us is looking for that dream home that they've had scratched on napkins or what have you. Our job is really to guide them through that to get that dream into reality.
Randy and Marianne's final product shows very well, and it's a direct result of the level of involvement they've had. Everybody has worked quite diligently. You see the final result. That level of effort usually shows well.
So I was surprised, when I came in and saw that big window, and it was like, whoa, wow.
This will be our home. Touch wood, our health stays good for many years to come, so we'll be here for a long time.
It's beautiful.